YouTube. So, what are we doing right now?
Well, we're on our way to film stuff of Gennaro's truck.
Yeah.
The Beast.
Yeah. So, we're doing some new things. We got a lot more newer content coming out that's not just vlogs or shows.
I got 2 new things. I got new wheels, and my roof basket's longer now.
Yeah.
We'll show you.
We'll show you when we get there, but we're going to film G's truck, some cool cinematic stuff.
At a secret location.
Yeah. So we're here at the spot.
We're at the spot, yo.
This is where we filmed the Infinity, but you guys didn't see that yet. But look at this truck. Has Beast ever like really been in the vlog?
Huh?
Oh yeah, Beast has been in the vlog. Not like really talked about though.
Sure.
This is Beast mode. You want to talk about him?
You want me to talk about the Beast?
The Beast, yeah.
Okay. So when I bought the Beast, it was all chromed out. That everything had chrome. With these dual halos in, with the iceberg blue headlights, carbon fiber emblem, and the hood stripes, the silver auto tie. There's a 4-inch lift on it, and I bought these Moto Metal rims. Got the carbon fiber mirrors, and on the inside, we got the nice camo, whatever these are called, seat covers. This was just an old ass radio, and then I changed it to this setup here. We got the blue lights.
Yeah, blue lights.
Saw them.
You've seen that before.
We got the Borla exhaust on the side. Tail lights. Carbon fiber envelope again. And yeah. When I get money, it will look nothing like that, but
Pretty hot though.
that's what I got for now.
What is that position, David? You cold?
Freezing! Yo, okay, that looks crazy though.
I know. The sky over there.
Oh, okay. So we just finished the still shots, and now we're gonna go do some rollers. And I have to get in the back. So.
Get back.
Why are you breaking this window?
Okay,
It's
so
literally not going anywhere. There's actually no way that it breaks. If it breaks, I'll buy you a new one.
so we got a ratchet strap, and we're holding it up,
The
and we
only
connect it to the
problem-
roof rack.
The only problem with this is that if a cop shows up, you can't just pull the hatch and act like you weren't there.
Okay, so.
What happened?
Oh no.
Don't put that in the vlog. That didn't
I
happen.
on the video.
Okay, so what new things did you get that you were talking about earlier?
Just the roof basket.
That's it?
These are new, but I'm selling them. If anybody wants to buy them, all together, $400 with the lug nuts. I'll give you a great deal, $400.
Good stuff. She looks so good.
Yeah.
Look at it. She like has such more of an aggressive stance.
Run, Forrest!
Run! Run!
Ah!
Ah!
They're
Whoa.
looking.
Okay, so we're done filming now. And now we're on our way to church.